Hello traders, it's still Napan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. Here we are on this video of practical Vedanta and trading video series, and the topic today is on thoughts, waves and trading. As you can see traders, before a wave starts to be recognized and shouted out upon that, hey look, it's a wave, it first starts off as a calm ocean bed. And then the next thing that happens is a ripple, and then after that, with the force of the wind, it becomes a wave. Now, similarly, in our mind, before it is just a calm piece of serenity inside, and then we get a stir, and that starts as a feeling, and then as the feeling gets stronger, then we start to take our action on it. Now, the action sometimes, traders, can be as powerful and paralyzing for you to stop you from taking any action, or for you to carry on your action, or to go against your plan of action. So let me explain. So you see, this feeling that is created can be created from the past or towards the future. Now, usually when traders do not have a clear, quantified plan, which is what we teach in the whole Traders Basecamp package and our advanced courses, if you do not have this quantified trading plan, what happens is that you start to get fear, especially if you have a few losing trades from before. So that starts to paralyze you from placing the next trade because of this fear from the past that you might have another losing trade. So for example, if you have 4 losing trades, then you might have a fear again that this next trade you're going to place is going to be a losing one. So that is what creates that from the past. For the future, sometimes you might be in a trade and it's going very well and you're like 5,000 pounds up, and then you start to think of the future where you start to think, you know what, actually I can make more money, let me stay in the trade. And guess what happens after that? I mean, most of you traders would know, or beginner traders, just be pre-warned that it can go against you and you can lose all that 5,000 pounds. It was never yours in the beginning anyway. It's unrealized, and you can go back to zero, or you can make a loss out of it. So remember this thing, before this feeling starts to come up, it can only be created from the past or for the future. Understanding how this thought starts from a feeling, then it goes into an action, and then you achieve whatever projection that you are looking to achieve. Understanding this just creates and increases your self-awareness and helps you control and manage your emotions just better so that you can become a better trader. Alright, so on this video I just covered on thoughts, waves, and action. So have a contemplation on that and how you can improve your trading. And as we always say, until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading, and keep trading like a master.